I've had a lot of requests to do another Ford Fiesta POV drive on the computer mouse edition, which you lot seem to have a lot of. So speaking of, there's one. We're gonna buy one of them later. Alright, yeah, you joined me. I mentioned last video my old Fiesta that I was gonna get the new Fiesta, the computer mouse Fiesta. I was gonna close a deal, and ladies, we've now closed the deal. So I'm gonna inspect the car. Reason being, I bought it in the dark, which you should never do, but with a car like this, they sell so quick, so I had to be first come, first served. Bought it in the dark. Had my torch on. It's fine. Well, that don't look very homely, but this is the Style Plus. It's Plus, meaning it's like the S-Line version. That's another 100 horsepower, and there's no valve caps. Bodywork's alright. Bit of rust on the sill, but they all have that. It won't stop it from selling. It's been brown nosed, but in moss. Headlights could do with a bit of a scrub. That's broken. Actually, I did spot this. The door's definitely been damaged before, but the door's functioning. It's fine. It's raining. Let's just go. My editor, yeah, you lot need to harass him in the comments, because I'm having to make my own YouTube shorts because he's on holiday. Isn't this the whole point of this job? You can work remotely. How's a man saying he's on holiday? You not take your phone on holiday? You wanker. Don't even know if he's pranking me with a sketchy website. Look, you try to download something, watch what happens now. Press download and then bang, before you know it, it's searching for local hot singles in my area. Use VPN to watch sports. Everything's just, look, you do it again, and then look now, 16 plus restricted content, and there's your restricted content. I've got to sin in order to work, which gets me thinking, what does my editor do? Watch porn all day? Now it's giving me 63 spins, the homophobic abuse after Britain game. Nottingham Forest versus Britain. Some fake ass news that I got. Nottingham Forest, a city, versus the whole of Britain. They just played every team. Like 11 people versus, I don't even know how many teams are. Like 300 or something. So stupid. Nottingham Forest versus Britain. You bellend, you loser. I don't even get how it generates money. Who's actually clicking on them? Nah, bro, I can't lie, that's pissed me off. Yo, why is everyone trying to block me in like some music video? I've heard it all, man. Some of the stuff I have to live amongst. Nottingham Forest versus Britain. So yeah, make sure you're harassing him in the comments. As for this Fiesta, it's pretty alright, to be honest with you. It could do with some track alignment. It's got a gear stick. I've always liked this Fiesta. I've drove a few. They kind of remind me, like the way they drive, they're very nimble, they're very agile. You chuck it there, it goes there, performance model or not. They're small and they're good handling cars. Not good handling at high speed, obviously with it not being a race car, but just around town on these British roads, which is what it's essentially made for, it's perfect. And I know they get a lot of hate, but that's because of their reputation on them Ford STs. This is a popular car for a reason. It's genuinely a good car. Most of you like will hate it just because it says Ford on it. But in the real world, lads, yeah, Ford is affordable, and that's the sweet spot. That's why we get them, bro. Easy in and out job. Oh, that bees has had it. That's a wake-up call, man. We need to remember we need to drive safe in the rain. Woo! Certainly not on winter tires. Oh, me and him both rage quit the lorry. You gotta show some respect. It's B&M bargains, bro. Proper bargains. The boom. Forest versus Britain. Shut up, bro. Why has that made me laugh so much? How can a man say, yo, I'm off to the game, nice, who are they playing? Oh, Britain. What do you mean? Homophobic abuse after Britain game. It's an article about the investigation of a city team playing the whole of the country, and they're investigating homophobia. Don't you think being gay, like that whole LGBT thing, has just like expired now? No one really cares. You know, for those couple years, like 2018 to like 2023, there was no major anomalies in the world that were getting media attention. There was nothing like crazy going on that was on the billboards everywhere and everyone was protesting. And I think that's the reason gay people were like, right, this is our chance. Let's let the world know that we take up the arse. I don't even know what they wanted. They wanted rights. That's fine, be what you want, but like, I don't get why you're in town actively telling everyone that you take up the arse. Are you deep in how sick the world used to be? Like, that was all we argued about, was, yo, I take up the arse. Oh, I don't like it. Deep that was the talk of the town. Alright, cheeky. How about that, mate? Deep how that was the talk of the town for a couple years. LGBT, bro. And then I think now, because there's some serious like news going on, they've just like emmed that off. No more profit left, and they've switched the focus, bro. But I'm still being LGBT friendly because I made Tesla videos last month. And that's the harsh reality of it. But if you are a member of the community, I fully respect you, I support you. Take it up wherever you want. Just don't take it up with me, I don't actually care. You know what, I think that's a really nice thing to say. Letting the vulnerable know that I'm more than supportive and that it's not a big deal and no one cares. That the rest of that news article, aside the homophobic slurs part, England versus Britain, I can't get my head around that. Yo, the roundabout's had a skin fade. Usually it's looking all bushy down there. It's looking bigger, bruv. It's had a shave. See what I mean? It does handle well. Obviously it's not handling the best right now, with the road being a little bit greasy and that. But you get the picture. You point and shoot and it goes there. And they're really cheap as well. They're decently reliable. Obviously the newer ones are not, but this one, I think this is a 2009. Yeah, they're reliable. They're cheap to run, cheap to fix. £20 tax and you're good for the year. And stuff like this is what sells a car. Very good brakes. This has been requested for so long on this account. I don't know why. You lot requested deadest motors. I don't even like to be that guy that complains about the weather. I know it's out of everyone's control, but it does rain every day and it does put a downer on your mood, doesn't it? It's got a bit of power to it compared to the old 1.2 which I've been driving. This one's a bit quicker. This one's more refined. It might be because it's the Style Plus. What's stylish about it? It's a desktop mouse, bro. On about style. Steering buttons don't work. Oh. Marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone. Sorry, got a bit personal there. I tried to talk about the cars, but nothing to say. Oh wow, bro, it's got a cup holder, it's got a handbrake. Handbrakes never work in any of these. My favourite little road. Straight into the red line and very twitchy. Oh, dude, the car smells like it had kebabs last night. No, it actually genuinely smells of diarrhea. Is that me? It actually stinks. You can tell it's not been redded in a while. Whoa, so many potholes on the floor, man. This country, day by day, is getting on my nerves. Can you see these potholes on the floor, which I'm having to skirt and avoid? You know when it rains like this, how it is now, I purposely turn the vibrance up on my videos for the sake of your lot's mental health, genuinely, because you ain't seen green grass in ages. This is what it actually looks like. It's just literally got a black and white filter on it. Give it a little proper test. Still, at least no one else is out and about. The car's driving really good. Nothing wrong with it, to be honest. Nothing major. Mechanically, it's driving fine. Especially the brakes. The brakes are very good. I'm gonna have to pull over a second so I can complete posting my shorts. And I'm not selling nothing on Depop. I'm on about my YouTube shorts. That's just Brighton, doesn't it? Notts Forest versus Brighton. It's not Britain, is it? That's embarrassing. That's actually lowered my net worth. That is genuinely, even for my standards, I'm not proud of that one. Damn, I'm actually not a clever person, am I? Come on. I don't want to talk about the news anymore. Let's talk about something else. But I'm so against deforestation, you know. I think, yeah, I thoroughly believe, genuinely, if you don't have a good reason to chop down a tree, and you better have a bloody good reason to axe something that's giving us oxygen, then you should be arrested or hung from the tree that you tried to chop down. Cheeky little wheel trim in the hedge. It should be illegal, and I keep going on about this because look, this roundabout had lovely bit of wildlife on it, lovely bit of greenery. It didn't impact with your vision at all. The roundabout was fully functioning. The trees are over there, in the middle, over there. You can clearly still see there was no trees there around the corner. Trees here would be a problem because then you can't see on your right. Tree there's not hurting anyone. Why does everything need to be they call it a modern look, like just what's a modern look? Just a concrete jungle. And there's the culprit. Oh, I chopped down 100 trees today. It's not a good thing, you know, that you're chopping down our oxygen source. Waste, man. And I'm not even being sarcastic. This is 100% from the heart. I thoroughly believe that we should stop chopping down trees and building uniacoms. Do you know what I mean? Sleep on a hammock. no amount of money can make me chop a tree, because I'm not gonna sell my soul. I'm not gonna sell my principles. I better do it for minimum wage as well. Does that seem worth it to you? Chop down this tree and I'll give you a meal deal. Shut up, man. How would you like it if I chopped your wood? It's as bad as it, you wouldn't like it. It's happened. I'm circumcised. I've had my wood chopped. Not a nice feeling, bro. Well, I don't remember. This is an interesting YouTube channel, isn't it? But probably not a nice feeling, bro. Did you know trees can chat to other trees? Like, they got their own WeChat. They've got their own Discord server, bro. No, genuinely, through electrical pulses or something. Mate, do your research first. Don't use Rizzy as your source of education, because sometimes, just sometimes, there's some inaccuracies. But trees can chat to other trees. You know, if I ate chicken in front of a chicken, which is not that unlikely. Let's say I'm at a farm and I'm just having a cheeky snack, which is, it's likely I'd have a chicken sandwich, and there's chicken there. Do you think the chicken knows that I'm eating a chicken? Do you think it knows that's chicken meat? Because I don't think they do, because I think a chicken is so unrecognizable. Like, look at a KFC and then look at the original product, the original chicken. You would not think these two things is made out of the same material, but it is. It's just completely unrecognizable, innit? And the chickens are like dumb as well. They're so dumb, like they don't even speak English. So what I'm trying to say is, do you think we'd know if humans were doing that as well? Because let's be real, there's human in McDonald's, everyone knows that. There's the odd strip. So my question is, what I'm getting onto is, do you think humans would recognize another human eating human? You still have that drive-through, innit, regardless. Hi, I'm using the app today with your chicken nugget Happy Meal, calling it a day. We live in a cruel world, boys. What am I actually on about? I think they need to increase the camera equipment prices, because every Tom, Dick and Harry's got one. Look at my YouTuber car. Every day chatting some new bollocks. And I was thinking, right, this is me posting 2 times a week. I try to post every Monday and Thursday, yeah? Imagine if I was daily uploading, genuinely. Some of the stuff you lot would have to cope with and put up with, be genuine torture. Should I, boys? Should I do daily uploads? Because I probably can, if I just stay here for a bit longer and film a couple more. But the thing is, I don't think daily uploads is the best thing for my YouTube channel. I just feel like if there's too many videos coming out, you just lose track, and then there's just no point. You gotta admit though, I have stuck to my word so far this year. I've posted 2 times a week. We're 3 months deep and it's been fine, it's been easy. Bloody hell, talk about tyres and tarmac. Why is he next to me? I don't want to be next to you, leave me alone. Yo, stop following me. Who gets a Dacia? There's another Dacia. Dacia Sandero. This car is actually quite good on fuel, I'm not gonna lie. Barely used any, but you know what? There's nothing more lovely than when you buy a car, it's got a tank full of fuel. What the hell is another Dacia? That is genuinely so ugly. Have you boys seen the new RS5 that everyone's gassing? I think that looks dead, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I'm just being old school and grumpy and I can't adapt to the new designs, but this just looks so Chinese to me, bro. This reminds me of a Honda Civic, that joint up light on the back, monobrow light. Do you not think the old one just looks levels above that? That is so dead. And the thing is, people are loving it as well. How I see it personally, from the 90s, mid to late 90s, up until like 2019, 18. Those car designs were the peak of cars, for me anyway. Don't think we'll ever beat that again. I've never seen a car that's on a 25 plate and thought, yeah, nah, I really want that. I've never desired a new car. They all just look like they were made in that same little Chinese factory, and then they each have their own individual badge, and I just ain't feeling it. The Fiesta's farted, bro. There's a new one. There it is, live in the flesh. S5, S4, just buzz, man. Everything new. Look, 75 plate, that's dead. That's dead. Like, that's an Audi. Like, it's subjective. If you like it, you like it, innit? But bro, give me $1 million, I'm not buying that. You would not see me with an I or an EQ, anything. Shame it's been raining this whole video, man. The rain has just ruined this video, innit? How come, what happened to saying thank you at the roundabout? Why does no one do it anymore? It's not even like it's a new generation thing. You don't look that new to me. He's like an X plate, a Y plate. Even her, she's not saying thank you to the lovely bus driver. But you don't see much pleases and thank yous anymore, don't you know what I mean? And I feel like that's one thing that separated Britain from the other countries. Oh, I'm sick of the rain. I'm sick of adjusting this wiper. Can the rain be consistent? Has the rain not got cruise control? Bro, take a picture, it lasts longer. Guys, eyeing up the bus like it's got tits. See what I mean? Wipe it off. Now it's gonna rain a lot more, so wipe it on a subtle one. Now it's raining a bit more, so wipe it on again. The rain is so inconsistent. And look, now I'm just shagging my wipers because it's not quick enough. So down a notch. fine right now, but then I'm gonna have to adjust it again in a minute because the rain's not working at a constant speed. There's so many poles in this floor, man. I can't complain, can I? My road tax is £20 a year. It's not like I'm contributing to all of this. But now the rain's gone slow again. So I mean, it's annoying. I'm sick of it. And to be honest, I don't even know why I'm putting up with it. I'm out. I'm huffing a bit, mate.